Hi everybody, my name is Sapna and I'm so happy to be here at the Hanu Reddy Raghava Mango Farms in Chennai. We're going to be taking you through the farm, so come with me and explore this lovely place along. I'm currently at the registration desk right now. Here the entry tickets seem to be 2499 per adult and 1999 per child. There's also a mango eating competition for which I'm really keen. And also I've got my stamp of this lovely mango. I think you should do too. With this particular stone inscription, I remember my 9th standard science. மேங்கோக்கு சயின்டிஃபிக்கான பேர் மேஞ்சிஃபெரா இண்டிகா. கரெக்டாக சொல்லிட்டேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் பார்க்காம. We're definitely going to be exploring the world's happiest table, which is 156 feet long. But before that, I think the Pariyatam artists are right here. Going to be just rocking the floor. Let's get this done. You see the families have flocked here at the Pariyatam performance. The fun continues, but then now it's time for us to go and explore Hanu's breakfast table. That's also the world's happiest table. Let's go. This is the table where the breakfast magic unfolds. This is exactly the place where the families have the most joyous conversations and people return home with the best of memories right here at the Hanu Reddy Mango Tourism. As claimed to be the world's longest table, 156 feet long. I'm not too sure if this is the world's longest table, but I must say this is the world's happiest breakfast table. My palate's very keen right now to taste the most delicious food because I am right now at Pushpa's kitchen at the Hanu Reddy Mango Farms. Very distinct, absolutely delicious, just the right amount of flavors on my palate right now. The dessert's done. But in order to burn all the calories, I think I should definitely go and participate in all the activities that are around here at the Hanu Reddy Mango Tourism. Let's go and get the fun started. It's time we burn all the calories that we've acquired with all the desserts we've eaten. So here we go for the first obstacle course of the day. Folama? I am genuinely not as sportive or as adventurous as these kids. I might as well skip this one and go to the next one, but you guys enjoy. Not too sure how familiar Chennai and Chennaiites are with camping in the city, but at Hanu Reddy Raghava Farms, it's very possible. And with this option, you get to stay the previous Saturday night. You start the Sunday morning with an amazing breakfast and a whole lot of activities. Now that sounds like a very fun weekend. Water and water activities, always an amazing idea, always an amusing idea. I genuinely had no clue, else I would have carried a pair to get in and then change. But yes, this is very possible at the Hanu Reddy Raghava Farms. The pump set fun begins right here. seems like a lot of work, but I'm sure very, very good for my back and spine. All set to be grinding my own ragi flour. Let's do this. Podinjirka. இது என்ன ஆகுது இப்போ மண்ணு பிரிச்சு விடுது. Okay. Mr. Nityanandam, thank you for joining us. You take care of Hanu Reddy Kennels. Please tell us more about them.
So basically, Hanu Reddy Kennels, we are primarily focused on promoting our indigenous Indian dog breeds, and we are the show homes, and we have a best in quality of Rajapalayam, Chipipare and Mudol hounds.
Okay.
Contact on our Instagram page, or you can contact either of this number to get one of this lovely puppy to your home.
And when I thought I made a lot of human friends, I also made someone whose name is Bululu, who's also 6 feet tall and very, very friendly. Look at him. Next, we move on to the mango picking, and I'm gonna be paying for what I actually pluck. Let's do this. 222 acres of this place is only dedicated specifically for mangoes and mango lovers, obviously.
இது வந்து பழம் வந்து பெருசாக இருக்கும். பழம் நேரம் வந்து இந்த கலர் ரேஞ்சில் வரும் காய். சரினா அப்போ அது பழம் நேரம் இல்லை கசிக்கிட்டு லைட்டாக கசிட்டு ஊற்றிலாம் சாப்பிடுவோம்.
சூப்பர், நைஸ்.
சுமாரி அது
அதுக்கு தான் பேர் ரசம், ஏன்னா நிறைய ஜூஸ் இருக்கும். சூப்பர், ஓகே. ஓ, ஈஸி. ஓகே, நைஸ். தேங்க்யூண்ணா. So I've picked 2 of these amazing Bangalore mangoes. They are not so ripe, but I'm sure I'm only going to be paying for what I actually picked to take home. I honestly believe that the idea of Hanu Reddy Raghava Mango Farms and the tourism is specifically designed for people from 6 to 80, and to come experience this place is altogether a delight. I think you should definitely do, because I am having this absolute pleasure and honor to be here to go around this 222 acres mango farm. You should definitely too. Hey everybody, so right now I am at the most delicious activity of the day. Yes, very, very mangalicious, the mango eating competition at the Hanu Reddy Mango Tourism right here. Let's watch what the fun looks like. For those who not only enjoy activities but also shopping, I think there are heaps of stalls and heaps of options for you to come shop here at the Hanu Reddy Raghava Mango Farms. So I am joined with Mr. Hanu Reddy, the man behind all the happiness right here. Hello, sir.
Hello.
It's such an honor to be meeting you and to be talking to you. But tell us what the idea behind Hanu Reddy Mango Tourism is.
The concept is teaching the farmers of India to sell experiences rather than produce.
That's right.
So that way their income goes up and their GDP of the country goes up. And I want the world to emulate what I'm doing here, so that every farmer copies what I'm doing, so we can bring the world to experience India and the people of India. Beautiful. And that increases the prosperity of India, and my goal is to move the needle of the GDP of India. That's it.
Brilliant. But may the happiness always continue
Thank
in
you.
your life, in our lives, and a lot many lives here on.
That's the whole idea. I want the youngest child to see, observe, get inspired, and make a commitment to themselves that I will do something like this in my life.
Brilliant. Thank you so much for doing this, and keep continuing to do what
Thank
you do.
you. Thank you for being part
sir.
of our journey.
Thank you. Thanks
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you.
everybody. We have Geetanjali and Sharan who are here to enjoy and experience the Hanu Reddy Mango Tourism right here. Please tell us, how happy are you to be a part of the tourism this year?
Things have become even better this year. Everything is created much better this year, and we are loving it here.
And we tried learning Silambam. He tried slacklining,
Awesome.
pottery. It was very good, very fine way to spend your weekend.
Beautiful. What was your most favorite dish among the menu today?
Panakonda.
Panakonda. Panakonda.
Yeah, dessert.
Lovely. Awesome. Thank you so much. Have a lot of fun around here. Hi, everybody. We have Mr. Jones along with his lovely kids right here. Hi, sir.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good.
Please tell me, how is this environment actually making you feel?
Yeah, it makes me feel very happy. We had a nice time. The kids enjoyed playing in the pump set, and they also enjoyed a lot of activities. And of course, the food is awesome. The kids enjoyed eating mango a lot. They had a lot of desserts. We are continuing to have a lovely time.
Awesome. Are you going to be visiting the Hanu Reddy Tourism next year?
Sure.
Definitely. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I have the lovely Pavitra and Hamsika right here. How fun was this today for you to be going around the farm?
It was super awesome. It was we came here with with zero expectations, but it was a beautiful surprise.
Nice.
I think there were a lot of activities for the kids, and adults had fun too. So I think it was great. And reviving some of these games and introducing that to our children, I think that's awesome. I mean, that's beyond brilliant.
I liked today because I liked the food and the games, like tic-tac-toe and the stamping. I did these two.
Oh, lovely.
Stamps.
So you printed.
Yeah, I printed that.
Brilliant. Have fun. I had the best time going around the Hanu Reddy Mango Tourism Mango Festival today, and I had the best experience here at the Mango Festival. If you want to experience one of these activities or all of these activities, all you got to do is go to Hanu Reddy Mango Tourism website to book your tickets for the 9th, 16th or the 23rd of June 2024. I will see you very, very soon. Until then, this is Sapna signing off, and full love from Hanu Reddy Mango Farms. This is India's greatest mango festival.